Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Number 1. 1937 Harley-Davidson WL. $170,750, Piedmont, Oklahoma. This 1937 Harley-Davidson WL is a true pre-war classic, powered by the iconic 45 cubic inch flathead engine that helped define early American motorcycling. It's a running and riding example, offering that raw, mechanical feel that only vintage Harley machines can deliver. The bike features a round-slide Mikuni carburetor, a Bates headlight, and a mixed wheel setup with an 18-inch front and 16-inch rear, giving it a subtle custom touch while maintaining its vintage character. While not a perfect showpiece, it's an honest rider that could benefit from minor refinements like fresh tires and tidier wiring. Still, it remains a fun and engaging machine, ideal for someone who appreciates early Harley history and wants a usable classic. With a clean title in hand, this WL represents a rare opportunity to own a piece of 1930s American motorcycle heritage. Number 2. 1972 BMW R75/5, $7,500, River Falls, Wisconsin. The 1972 BMW R75/5 stands as one of the most iconic airhead models ever produced, representing a key evolution in BMW's motorcycle lineup. With its smooth boxer twin engine, improved frame design, and upgraded electrical system, the 5 Series brought modern reliability while preserving the brand's unmistakable character. This particular example has been carefully maintained and remains a strong-running, well-preserved rider. Often considered the sweet spot among early BMW airheads, the R75/5 offers more power than smaller siblings while retaining classic styling that collectors admire. It comes with original accessories including a toolkit, OEM tire pump, and spare parts, adding to its authenticity. Whether for weekend rides or a vintage collection, this bike delivers both usability and timeless appeal. Number 3. 1973 Suzuki GT750, $9,500, River Forest, Illinois. Known as the legendary Water Buffalo, this 1973 Suzuki GT750 is one of the most unique two-stroke motorcycles ever built. Featuring a liquid-cooled triple engine, it stood apart from its competitors in both engineering and performance during its era. This particular bike shows extremely low mileage at just 1,907 miles and has undergone a full restoration, with over $13,000 invested to bring it back to top condition. Finished in black and running strong, it offers smooth power delivery and a distinctive exhaust note that only a classic two-stroke can produce. It's both a collector-grade machine and a rideable classic, making it appealing to enthusiasts who want something truly different. With its rarity and iconic status, the GT750 continues to be a standout in any vintage lineup. Number 4. 1970 Triumph TR25, $2,500, Mountain Home, Arkansas. This 1970 Triumph TR25 Trophy is a lightweight British single that offers a fun and approachable vintage riding experience. Originally built as a small displacement scrambler-style bike, it's perfect for casual riding or light off-road use. The current owner has invested significant time and money into the build, including a rebuilt engine, new electrics, and a fresh wiring harness. Although the bike runs, rides, and stops, it remains a partially finished project, giving the next owner an opportunity to complete it to their own vision. It also comes with valuable extras, including a spare engine, additional fuel tank, and various parts. For someone looking for an affordable entry into classic British motorcycles, this TR25 offers both potential and personality. Number 5. 1968 Honda CB350, $2,850, Chanhassen, Minnesota. The 1968 Honda CB350 is a classic example of Honda's early success in building reliable, user-friendly motorcycles that still hold strong appeal today. This bike presents well for its age, with original paint and chrome showing some patina while maintaining its vintage charm. It runs and rides nicely with all lights and switches functioning as they should. Recent maintenance includes new steering stem bearings, wheel bearings, brake shoes, fork seals, control cables, and fuel system components, making it a solid and dependable rider. While the tachometer is intermittent and one exhaust baffle is missing, the bike remains a great platform for casual riding or light restoration. It's an ideal choice for anyone seeking an affordable and approachable classic Honda. Number 6. 1965 BSA Rocket Lightning, $5,500, Waxahachie, Texas. This 1965 BSA Rocket Lightning is a beautifully restored example of one of Britain's most respected performance twins from the golden era. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin, the Lightning was known for its strong performance and classic styling, making it a favorite among enthusiasts even today. This particular bike has been restored from top to bottom, with matching numbers and documented receipts that add to its authenticity and value. Visually, it presents like a near-show quality machine, reflecting the care and attention invested during the restoration process. While it comes with a bill of sale instead of a traditional title, it still represents a rare opportunity to own a fully restored British classic. For collectors or riders looking for a standout vintage machine, this BSA delivers both heritage and presence. Number 7. 1979 Yamaha SR500, $3,250, Peru, Indiana. The 1979 Yamaha SR500 is a legendary single-cylinder motorcycle known for its simplicity, reliability, and pure riding experience. This example remains in fantastic original condition with just over 12,000 miles, showcasing how well these bikes can hold up over time. Its kickstart-only design adds to the authentic vintage feel, and the seller notes it typically fires up on the first kick. Recently serviced with new tires and fresh maintenance, everything functions as it should, making it a ready-to-ride classic. It also includes both original keys and the owner's manual, adding to its completeness. With its lightweight feel and timeless styling, the SR500 is perfect for riders who appreciate minimalist design and engaging back-to-basics performance.
I just fired this up, cold start. Started on the first kick. This is a very, very, very nice
Number 8. 1964 Vespa All-State Cruiser, $2,000, Muskegon, Michigan. This 1964 Vespa All-State Cruiser is a rare and charming vintage scooter, originally sold through Sears and now highly collectible among enthusiasts. Finished in its original red paint, it shows its age with dents and dings, but retains a strong sense of authenticity that makes it an excellent candidate for restoration or preservation. It has been part of a collection for many years and stored indoors, helping preserve its overall condition. The engine turns over smoothly, the wheels roll freely, and the tires still hold air, offering a solid starting point for bringing it back to life. Powered by a 125cc engine with a 4-speed transmission, it also includes desirable accessories like a passenger pad and spare wheel setup. With a clean title included, this Vespa is a unique opportunity for collectors or vintage scooter fans. Number 9. 1977 Kawasaki LTD, $7,500, Marion, Indiana. This 1977 Kawasaki LTD has been extensively refreshed and customized, making it a standout vintage machine with modern touches. It features new paint, updated chrome, fresh tires, and a rebuilt engine with less than 200 miles, ensuring strong performance for the road ahead. The addition of 29mm smooth-bore carburetors enhances throttle response and overall power delivery. With its bold blue finish and upgraded components, this bike blends classic styling with improved performance. It's positioned as a ready-to-ride summer cruiser, offering both visual appeal and mechanical confidence. For riders who want a vintage Kawasaki with a refreshed feel and custom edge, this LTD delivers a compelling package. Number 10. 1971 Harley-Davidson SS350, $2,500, Needville, Texas. The 1971 Harley-Davidson SS350 is a unique and often overlooked model built in collaboration with Aermacchi and known for its lightweight European-inspired design. This example is a true barn find, retaining its original components and showcasing a natural patina that many collectors appreciate. It's not an over-restored show bike, but rather an honest survivor with plenty of character. The engine turns freely with good compression, and the bike appears complete, making it an excellent candidate for either a light revival or a full restoration project. Surface rust is present but manageable, with no major structural concerns noted. As these Aermacchi-era Harleys become increasingly rare, this SS350 offers a great entry point into vintage Harley ownership at an accessible price. Number 11. 1976 Honda GL1000, $1,800, Joliet, Illinois. The 1976 Honda GL1000 Goldwing represents the early days of one of the most legendary touring platforms ever built. This first-generation Goldwing is powered by a smooth, flat-4 engine that delivers strong, reliable performance even decades later. This particular example has been well-maintained and runs strong, making it an excellent entry into vintage touring motorcycles. Recent updates include a new gas tank, refreshed carburetor internals, a new timing belt with proper synchronization, and a fully serviced shaft drive. It also features new tires, brake pads, and discs, ensuring it's ready for the road. With both the original handlebars and cafe-style bars included, this GL1000 offers flexibility and style and a lot of value for a classic Honda. Number 12. 1983 BMW R80 G/S, $7,900, St. Louis, Missouri. The 1983 BMW R80 G/S is a true pioneer in the adventure motorcycle segment, widely regarded as one of the first dual-sport bikes capable of serious on-road and off-road performance. This example has been written as intended, showing honest wear rather than showroom condition, which adds to its authenticity as a functional classic. It currently features a 1985 R80 engine with just over 31,000 miles. Maintenance has been kept up to date with recent fluid changes, valve adjustments, fork rebuilds, and new brake components. Additional updates include new petcocks and side panels, ensuring continued reliability. For riders who appreciate rugged engineering and historical significance, the R80G/S remains an iconic and highly collectible machine. Number 13. 1970 Triumph TR6R Tiger 650, $4,000, Mendota, Illinois. This 1970 Triumph TR6R Tiger 650 is a classic British twin that combines vintage character with a mild restoration for improved usability. Featuring matching numbers and many original parts, it retains its authenticity while benefiting from a range of updates. The bike runs strong and offers that unmistakable Triumph riding feel, making it both enjoyable and engaging on the road. Recent work includes new paint, wiring harness, electronic ignition, drive chain, coils, battery, and various rubber components. The braking system, cables, and other essentials have also been refreshed, ensuring a dependable ride. With its classic styling and solid mechanical condition, this TR6R is a great option for enthusiasts seeking a usable vintage British motorcycle. Number 14. 1974 Moto Guzzi Eldorado, $8,200, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The 1974 Moto Guzzi Eldorado is a distinctive Italian cruiser known for its robust V-twin engine and unique styling. This example has undergone a comprehensive restoration with numerous upgrades, making it both visually striking and mechanically sound. The frame and components have been powder-coated, while the tank, crash bars, and other parts have been re-chromed to a high standard. Additional improvements include a modern alternator conversion, new starter, rebuilt cylinder heads, upgraded brakes, and fresh exhaust components. The bike runs strong and has been road-tested to ensure reliability. Minor cosmetic blemishes are present, but the price reflects these small imperfections. Overall, it's a well-sorted classic that blends originality with thoughtful upgrades. Number 15. 1976 Honda CJ360T, $1,000, Muskogee, Oklahoma. The 1976 Honda CJ360T is a simple and affordable vintage twin that offers a great entry point into classic motorcycle ownership. Known for its lightweight design and easy handling, it's a practical choice for beginners or those looking for a budget-friendly project. This particular bike runs great, making it immediately usable despite its low price point. While it does not come with a title, it still presents strong value for someone willing to handle the paperwork or use it in a project build. Its straightforward mechanical design makes it easy to work on, and it can be customized or restored to suit the next owner's vision. For just $1,000, it's a solid opportunity to own a classic Honda with plenty of potential. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle deals.